An essential oil can enter the body through two methods, liquid and vapor. First, let's look at the essential oil's delivery pathway by vapor via inhalation. Inhalation is considered the most direct pathway for aromatic essence. When inhaled, fragrant vapors enter the lungs, which are instantly released into the bloodstream for delivery to the heart, other body tissues, organs, including the liver, pancreas, and reproductive organs. The essential oil molecules are excreted from the body through the skin by perspiration and through the kidneys and bladder by urination and exhaled through the lungs. The vapor method also affects one's mental state and may cause an emotional response. When an essential oil vapor is inhaled, tiny hairs in our nostrils, cilia, rapidly pick up essential oil particles. They are absorbed into the mucous membrane until the aromatic molecules reach the smell center in the brain, the olfactory bulb. The olfactory center converts the scent into a neutral code that is sent to the limbic system, the emotional center of the brain, and then to the hippocampus, where the short-term memories are stored, and finally to the hypothalamus, where long-term memories are stored. This information is then sent to the pituitary gland, the master gland, and other endocrine cells to release hormones and neurochemicals. This simple process allows the brain to establish a strong association between certain smells, emotions, and memories, then responds in a predictable manner. As a liquid, essential oil molecules can enter the body through ingestion and topically. When applied topically, certain essential oil molecules are small enough to penetrate the epidermis, the outer layer of the skin. Once absorbed, these molecules enter the bloodstream via the capillaries and pass through the dermis, the deepest layer of skin. Oil molecules bind to the cell receptors of the targeted organ and act as a tonic. The oils can also transport in the body and act as a tonic for organs involved with metabolism and drainage. Kidneys, liver, and the lymphatic network all are in play. When applied over specific areas such as muscles and joints, the oils provide targeted benefits. The bloodstream delivers the essential oil to the body tissues, the liver and the pancreas, and the reproductive organs. It is eliminated via the skin by perspiration and the kidneys and bladder by urination. Ingesting essential oils via the digestive tract refers to taking oils by mouth and are swallowed to be absorbed through the stomach and intestines by digestive processes. Consuming essential oils to be assimilated through the digestive tract results in a significant portion being destroyed by stomach acids. Placing oils in a capsule is a safer option. Another alternative is to hold the essential oils in the mouth beneath the tongue to be directly absorbed into the bloodstream through the tissues and lining of the cheeks, the buccal cavity. From the small intestine, the oils travel via the bloodstream to the heart and other body tissues, liver, pancreas, and reproductive organs. The oils are then excreted through the skin, kidneys, and intestines.